farm or wild animals? Let's start.
Cow, lion, goat, elephant, horse, deer, sheep, bear, pig, zebra, chicken, monkey, duck, wolf, rabbit, fox, cat, giraffe, dog, tiger, bull, rhinoceros, buffalo, chimpanzee, donkey, gorilla, camel, kangaroo, fish, rat, llama, squirrel, goose, polar bear, oxen, panda, turkey, yak, mule, panther.
If you like this video, please subscribe our channel.